Imagine transforming your health overnight with just one simple habit: taking a tablespoon of olive oil before bed. This ancient Mediterranean secret works while you sleep, improving digestion, heart health, metabolism, and more. But while olive oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, it's not for everyone. Some people should avoid it due to specific health conditions. So, what exactly happens to your body when you take olive oil before bed? Let's dive into the top 10 benefits backed by science. A quick reminder, this video is intended for informational purposes only. For any health concerns, please seek advice from a doctor. At number 10, enhances digestive function. Olive oil is a natural digestive aid that can make a significant difference in your nighttime digestion. By taking a tablespoon before bed, it helps break down food without overwhelming your system. The oleic acid in olive oil stimulates bile production, making it easier for your body to digest fats. It also contains squalene, which soothes the gut lining, reducing irritation and discomfort that can occur after eating. Olive oil is especially effective for relieving constipation, as it naturally stimulates bowel movements, acting as a gentle laxative alternative. Research has shown that olive oil is just as effective as mineral oil and flaxseed oil for relieving constipation, supporting its role as a digestive ally. Number 9, supports heart health. Olive oil is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits, even when taken before bed. One of its key compounds, oleuropein, works to improve the flexibility of blood vessels, reducing stress on the heart. This contributes to better circulation and overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, olive oil promotes the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax the arteries, further supporting heart function. Studies have shown that individuals who consume higher amounts of olive oil have a significantly lower risk of heart disease, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate cholesterol levels. It's clear that olive oil is a fantastic addition to any heart-healthy diet. Number 8, boosts metabolism and fat burning. Taking olive oil before bed may aid in weight management and fat burning. The oleic acid in olive oil activates mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, making fat-burning processes more efficient. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those nighttime crashes that can disrupt sleep and lead to overeating the next day. Furthermore, olive oil improves insulin sensitivity, which can help reduce fat storage over time. Research on the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, has found it to be effective in supporting weight loss and enhancing metabolic health, making it an ideal choice for those looking to shed pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Number 7, strengthens bones. Olive oil may not only be beneficial for your heart, but also for your bones. The healthy fats in olive oil enhance calcium absorption, helping to increase bone density over time. Olive oil also activates osteoblasts, which are the cells responsible for building and strengthening bones. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in olive oil may help reduce symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and protect against bone loss, making it a natural ally for bone health. By incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine, you can give your bones the support they need to stay strong and healthy as you age. Number 6, aids liver detoxification. At night, your liver works overtime to detoxify your body, and olive oil can provide valuable support during this process. The oleic acid in olive oil boosts bile production, which helps the liver break down and process toxins more efficiently. This helps to keep the liver in optimal condition, preventing fatty liver buildup and promoting overall liver health. Olive oil also aids in the metabolism of fats, enhancing digestion and supporting natural detoxification processes. By taking olive oil before bed, you can give your liver a helping hand in performing its vital functions while you sleep, leading to better overall health. 5, improves brain function. Olive oil contains powerful compounds that support brain health, making it a valuable addition to your nighttime routine. One such compound, oleocanthal, helps remove toxins that are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In addition to its cognitive benefits, olive oil enhances memory, learning, and mental clarity by nourishing brain cells and protecting them from oxidative stress. Research has shown that olive oil's antioxidants can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline, making it a protective agent for long-term brain function. Regular consumption of olive oil may help keep your mind sharp and clear, even as you age. Number 4, promotes better sleep. Struggling with sleep? olive oil could be the solution. Healthy fats play a crucial role in supporting the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. By incorporating olive oil into your evening routine, you can enhance your body's ability to fall and stay asleep. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that can disrupt your sleep cycle. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil promote relaxation, making it easier to fall into a deep, restorative sleep. By adding this simple habit to your nightly routine, you can enjoy more restful, rejuvenating sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Number 3. Supports hormonal balance. Olive oil plays a vital role in maintaining hormonal balance, which impacts everything from your energy levels to your mood. The healthy fats in olive oil support the production of essential hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which are key to maintaining physical and emotional health. Olive oil also helps regulate cortisol levels, reducing the stress hormone that can negatively impact your body's systems. Additionally, it supports thyroid function, which is crucial for metabolism and energy production. By incorporating olive oil into your evening routine, you can support your hormones, helping to keep your energy levels balanced and your mood stable. Number 2. Protects skin and hair. Olive oil is not only beneficial for your internal health, but also for your skin and hair. When taken before bed, it provides hydration and helps reduce the appearance of aging by nourishing your skin with antioxidants. Olive oil's moisturizing properties help keep your skin soft, supple, and radiant. It also strengthens hair follicles, which can prevent hair loss and promote healthy growth. Whether you apply it directly to your skin or consume it as part of your diet, olive oil can give your skin and hair the nourishment they need to look and feel their best, making it a great addition to your nighttime routine. Number 1. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases, but olive oil can help combat it. The oleocanthal in olive oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, similar to the effects of ibuprofen. This makes olive oil an effective remedy for joint pain, muscle soreness, and swelling, especially after a long day. Regular intake of olive oil has been shown to reduce levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker of inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, olive oil supports overall health and can help alleviate discomfort caused by various inflammatory conditions, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Who should avoid taking olive oil before bed? Number 5. People with gallbladder issues. This oil stimulates bile production, which can worsen pain for individuals with gallstones. Gallstones can block bile ducts, and the extra bile from olive oil may lead to more pain or digestive discomfort. For people with gallbladder issues, excessive bile flow can trigger inflammation or colic, making digestion harder and more painful. 4. Those prone to acid reflux. Olive oil can relax the esophageal sphincter, which may cause stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus, leading to heartburn or acid reflux. This is especially problematic for those with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. As a fat, olive oil may slow digestion, keeping acid in the stomach longer and increasing the chances of reflux symptoms. Number 3. People on blood thinners. It naturally thins the blood due to its oleic acid content. This can increase the risk of bleeding, especially when combined with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Excessive bleeding, bruising, or delayed clotting could occur as olive oil interacts with these medications, potentially leading to serious complications, including an increased risk of hemorrhages. Number 2. Anyone with low blood pressure. Olive oil can lower blood pressure, which might be dangerous for individuals with already low blood pressure. The healthy fats in olive oil can help dilate blood vessels, reducing overall pressure. For people with hypotension, this drop can cause dizziness, fainting, or difficulty with daily activities, and can worsen symptoms when combined with other blood pressure lowering treatments. Number 1. People with fat malabsorption issues. Olive oil may be difficult to absorb for individuals with pancreatic disorders, IBS, or gallbladder dysfunction. These conditions affect the body's ability to digest and absorb fats properly. If fat digestion is impaired, consuming olive oil could cause discomfort, such as bloating, diarrhea, or other gastrointestinal issues, preventing the body from fully benefiting from the oil's nutrients. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips.